guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and hands-on demo of the Nextiva X-658, which is a cordless SIP desk set. Now, before we jump into this, what makes this phone super unique is that it is a desktop phone, but it is 100% cordless with an antenna, and from what I understand, based on what I've seen in just like online pictures and photos, it doesn't require any power cable or any cable to connect it to the internet. It is a truly wireless desk set phone. So let's jump right into this unboxing and see what we got. Okay, first and foremost, before we hop into this review, big thanks to Nextiva for sending us this phone free of charge for us to do a review. For those of you who may or may not know, Nextiva has a full range of Nextiva brand IP phones that are certified and specifically designed to work with their, platform. So if you're interested in more information on this phone or on quotes or pricing with Nextiva with this phone included in the quote, you know where to find me. You can reach out. I can get you special pricing on service and things like that. As well as get you a quote on this phone or any other Nextiva compatible phones that you'd like to see. So without further ado, let's open up this box and see what we got. Because again, this is a super unique device. This will be the first time that I have personally ever seen a cordless desk set. As you guys know, I've talked about and reviewed many cordless phones, but this is different, and you're about to see why in a minute. All right, looks like we got all kinds of stuff in here. So let's see what we got here. So we got the box, of course. We'll go ahead and move that out of the way like so. Looks like you've got your power adapter here. Again, as I mentioned, I think this is actually a chargeable phone. So we're going to find out shortly, but I believe that you can actually charge this thing and walk away with it, but we're going to find out. Here's your handset here. Nothing special there. Just your typical handset that's got your RJ9 or RJ9-like plug-in that will connect directly into the phone, into the base. Looks like this is your quick start guide for the Nextiva X-658, as well as one of your traditional little extension or, you can see right there, you can actually put that on the phone. It's a little old school. I was hoping it would be something digital, but, that's probably not the main point of this phone. The main point of this phone is probably the fact that it's a cordless desk set. So it's already got some uniqueness there. All right, guys, here's what you came for. The main event. Oh, will you look at that? So it's got a little bit of an old-fashioned style to it. It's sturdy, but I kind of like the buttons. They're old school. They remind me of like those old like Panasonics and things like that are kind of like the crystal or the clear buttons and whatnot, the kind of jewel style like buttons and whatnot. Looks like you've got a directional pad here, bunch of other stuff. You know what? Let's go ahead and put this bad boy together and get some power and whatnot connected to it so you guys can see it. Wait, I wanted you guys to see this. Some people love this. I love it. Oh, I love that sound. One more thing that was in the box that I missed. It looks like it is the stand for it to sit it up like so. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this now and stay tuned. So I will say, while I like this phone thus far, I like the concept of it. It's very old school. Just the design and whatnot. Like the way this bracket and everything is, I feel like is super old school. It's giving me a bit of nostalgia, but I'd be lying if I didn't just add that I kind of wish it had a more modern build to it. It feels kind of old school, but there's something to be said for that. Ta-da! Okay. So now that we have the phone all assembled, I am actually legit drawing a blank, you guys. It's basically saying something about auto registration. Trying to manually register. I think I may know what we're missing. I got it, you guys. I figured it out. So, This little doodad here is the VTech VDP 650. It is a terminal for this base. It's actually a base terminal, base station, if you will call it, for the phone, for the X658. So here's how this essentially looks like it works. This, kind of like a cordless IP phone, has to be plugged in to your Ethernet, because if you look at it here, it's almost like a little freestanding router, and it's got a Cat 5 cable in it, as well as electricity for itself. This has an antenna on it, which from what I understand, it essentially communicates with this antenna. And the way that I understand this is this sits somewhere and you basically end up just having it basically communicate. Now, there's one more piece of the puzzle here that I haven't figured out, so let me show you guys how I think this works. So on the back of this, if you guys can see that, there's a part here that says backup batteries compartment. I'm going to guess it's probably AA or AAA. Whoop. Oh, that's something else entirely, which maybe, look at that. That looks like it takes some sort of a plug thing. Maybe that was in there with the base, but I didn't see that in the box anywhere. But whatever that is, maybe it's something separately sold. Maybe it's in the box and we missed it. But in short, this is the way that I think this thing works. Okay, so the way that I believe that this Nextiva X-658 cordless desk set works is like this. You have the phone. Normally, you guys notice in my videos, I show you the interfaces on the back of the phone. You probably already noticed when I flipped it to the back, there is no interfaces except your plug in here for power and a little battery compartment that says it's for a backup battery, which looks like it's like a proprietary thing of sorts. The way that this thing works is that you have that backup battery in there. I don't know if this electricity charges that battery. It probably does. It's probably a rechargeable battery, which means you can unplug this and move this desk set around freely. I don't think the desk set is designed for you to just use it completely wirelessly all the time without the power. I think that it's designed so that if you're like, oh, I'm going to go work at a different cubicle today, or oh, I'm going to move to a different side of the building, assuming you still have range via the wireless here to the VDP 650 base station, you know, similar to how cordless IP phones work. It's basically working like that. It's paired essentially with the base, just like any other cordless IP phone, but it's literally a desk phone, so you can pick it up and move it around. The only difference is that most cordless IP phones, they're smaller, which means they use less battery life, which means having them, you know, essentially not on a charger all day or for hours at a time is no big deal. This, I think, is not meant to be used like that. I think that backup battery we saw in the back is supposed to be a temporary charged battery so that you can move this around freely in mid-call without disconnecting, or move around freely, or maybe even talk on it without having to be connected to your power for, you never know, you know, up to, you know, 30 minutes or maybe an hour or whatever. I'll find out and try to put in the description what I find out on that, but so that this video doesn't go too far long drawn out, because this is the first phone review that I've ever done where just the unboxing part and figuring out how the general sense of the phone works has taken this long. Let's look at some of these interfaces or some of these buttons and features on the front. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this phone is really old school. While it connects to a very much advanced 21st century, you know, complex system like Nextiva's, a lot of this stuff that you guys are seeing here is somewhat old school, you know. Directory, messages, menu function where you can go straight to these things, call history. Whereas with your newer phones or newer design type phones, that's all done within the menus. But as you can see here, this is kind of old school. It's like an old school CD screen like your old school cell phones. So I think it's kind of built off like the old school, like straight to function keys and whatnot, as you can see here. Your lines setup and whatnot is very similar to that of like your older school phones. So I'm wondering if, like what you guys see down here, the shared line appearance dealio, I'm wondering if this phone works like the older phones that have the shared line appearance and whatnot. I think it does. I feel like it's like a old school, IP phone that's got it's a new school IP phone that has cool wireless and can connect to a very advanced system like Nextiva's, but it's got a lot of your old school feel to it. Like the shared line appearance card down here where you can go to different extensions and see who's on the line or so on and so forth. And then your old school feel like with your function keys and your ability to just hit like straight lines and things like that. So it's very unique. I got to honestly say this is one of the coolest wireless concepts, but one of the most unique IP phones that I have personally ever reviewed. It's very different in its own right is the best way that I can put it. I totally forgot to mention that this phone, the Nextiva SIP cordless desk set X-658, goes for $139.99, obviously before discounts if you're getting more than one. Maybe they'll cut you a break from Nextiva. And the base, the VDP 650 over here, goes for, it looks like $99.99. So basically $100. I believe that you would only need one of these, and then you can pair multiple of these up to the base station. Well, I tried to find some reviews for you guys because, as you guys know, I usually like to do reviews on these phones. As I do my unboxing and review, I usually like to go online and see what other people are saying. I can't find anything online on this thing. So if any of you are out there watching that have currently got Nextiva or used this phone or used this model, because it looks like it might be a VTech or something of sorts. If any of you have used this with, Nextiva or this similar model with, another carrier, I'd be curious to know your opinions because I can't find much on it. My honest impressions, I'm not sure. I want to give it a B+ for originality because I've personally never seen a truly cordless desk phone that, normally cordless phones are yay big and they're not desk phones. They don't have all these buttons. That's kind of the drawback with cordless phones. Yeah, I mean, the pro is with your typical cordless phone, you've got mobility, but the con is you can't get all the fancy buttons like this and all the function in a cordless IP phone because they just don't have the real estate on the screen or on the chassis. So I give this a B+ for originality. I'm kind of leaning more towards a C+ because, or even a C- because just it's so old school, and that could be me. That's my opinion. Some of you out here who are watching this may be like, hey, I like that old school, paper under the plastic plate and the 36 to 48, this looks like it's maybe a 24 or something like that, but the typical 24 to 36 to 48 shared line appearance or ability to just hit other people in the system feel. Some of you may like that, so that's my opinion, but I don't know. I kind of hoped that the interface, the button interfaces, the screen and everything like that would be a little bit more up to date, but at the same time, beggars can't be choosy. This ability to have what I believe is a chargeable battery in the back that will allow you to either for long periods of time or for a short period of time be able to move this thing around freely without this cable attached, and have all of the feature and function of a desk phone, but the mobility and convenience of a cordless phone. That's actually pretty awesome. So I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and put some more information in the description below on this phone and try to figure out and make sure that I was politically correct with you guys on how this base station works, whether this battery inside of it is cordless or not, and whether it comes with the phone. Again, for those of you who have seen this phone or have this phone, let me know your honest thoughts. It's a Nextiva brand phone. If you're interested in more information about this phone with Nextiva, feel free to reach out to me. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to our channel. We upload new videos every single week. Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll catch you guys again in the next video.